Hello YouTube, this is Zach from Vaporcast, here to give a short tutorial video on the iClear 16 Clearomizer tank. This is a nice little 1.6 milliliter tank with a dual coil top fed design which is fairly easy to use. I'll just go over a few things such as maintenance of the tank, filling the tank, and also what parts to make sure you keep a hold of. Unscrewing the base like so will reveal the replaceable atomizer, which will last a good 1 to 2 weeks before actually needing to be replaced. It's this part right here. You'll know when it goes out because your vapor will begin to taste rather nasty, like you tried to light the wrong end of a cigarette and smoke it. Unscrewing the tank like this also shows you a very important piece. This is one of the important pieces that I was talking about. This little rubber gasket, you want to make sure you don't lose this, otherwise you're going to get a rather serious leaking issue. So make sure that that guy is right on there, nice and snug. When it's a part like this, it also is a good time to show you how to clean the tank properly. When the tank's like this, you want to wash it out with some warm water. What you don't want to do is actually wash out the atomizer. Once this goes bad, you're going to want to just replace it and be done with it. Otherwise, you're basically going to ruin it. Setting that aside right like that. Actually, I'm going to put it back together for you. It just screws right back in like that. To fill the tank, you unscrew this black mouthpiece. And in doing so, I show you another portion of the tank that you don't want to lose. It's this little rubber O-ring that's right here. This is another important piece that you don't want to lose, because if you lose this little rubber O-ring right here, you're also going to have some leaking issues. So with the tank like this, you're going to take your bottle of e-liquid and tilt the tank over and start pouring the e-liquid into the tank like you're pouring a draft beer or some other kind of drink like that. If you look on the front of the tank, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but there's a few black milliliter markers right there that go all the way up to 1.6. It's also roughly about the same height as the bottom of that rubber gasket that's right in there. You're going to fill it up to about that the bottom of that rubber gasket, and then put the tip back on right there. Then once it's filled with liquid, you're going to let it sit for about a good 10 to 15 seconds before you go to use it. Let those wicks that are in there get nice and saturated with that liquid. That about covers the maintenance for the iClear 16. Thank you for watching.